Bog people creeping up your slacks. Bog people here to steal your snacks. Bog people creeping up your pants. Bog people creeping up your slacks. It's sticky and gooey, it's creepy. Whenever you fall in, it feels like you fall into a giant mud puddle that never ends. And it sinks and sinks and sinks and sinks, etc. and etc. Yeah. And then I walk across the boardwalk, and then when the board thingy-majiggies breaks off, and I fall in the bog. And then I keep walking on the boardwalk, and then it goes underwater, and I have to walk underwater, and then I slip and fall into the bog. I like bogs because when you fall in, it does feel kind of soothing, like a massage kind of. And that's about all. Bog people creeping up your slacks. Bog people here to steal your snacks. Bog people creeping up your pants. Bog people creeping up your slacks.
Something eerie about walking into a bog. It's the forest, and then it gets wet, and it gets wet, and it gets wetter, until usually you're on some kind of boardwalk that comes out into an open space where there's no relief from the sun. And oftentimes, somewhere, there's the eye of the bog, which is a water basin closing up slowly until it no longer is a bog. And when you walk on the boardwalk, you're walking on sphagnum and peat from generations and generations of